So this tool can help you analyze and get the network packet data very easily. I'm not talking about Wireshark. Obviously, Wireshark stand out as a very professional and higher level tool. But apart from that, there is another tool who is brother of Wireshark. Let me just show you. Firstly, I've opened the HTTP PK file over here, and in WhatsApp, I have I can see some details over here. Okay, and those who have idea about this, we can just filter out some HTTP or TCP request, and we can get more metadata from over here. Okay, but if I tell there is another tool which is called Network Miner, and what it does, it break down all your network packets within a readable format. Like no need to worry about any type of network packet analysis or something about IP or filtering. Okay, but it will help you study each and every network very easily. So here is the tool. I have opened the same PK file over here, and here you can see that the IP address of Linux, and it is marked also properly that it is a Linux, and here it is a machine. Then here it is Windows. Then the page they have visited. Okay, if I click here over here and in plus icon, I can see more data of it. Okay, and yeah, this is the thing. Like this tool helps you not only like to study the network analysis, but also it break down each and every statement, like which port it is connected, what is the MAC address, who is the vendor, etc. details. Okay, so yeah, I'm just bringing another full video on this on YouTube. So make sure to stay tuned for Insta and YouTube also, and subscribe the YouTube channel. And I will bring in a full, not only introductory, basic to advanced level video on this tool, like how you can use this software for network analysis.